welcome to your math lesson 101, which is ratio problems involving totals. So throughout this semester, we have been working with ratios. Remember, a ratio is a whole number to a whole number. It's not a fraction. It's just comparing two whole numbers, whole things to other things, so things to things. The only new thing we've added is the total, and that's just another section onto the ratio tables, which we've been making all semester. So today you are going to be using your knowledge of how to make a ratio table, setting up a proportion, and then cross multiplying to find the unknowns. So in this example, for every 5 cats, there are 4 dogs, making it a ratio total of 9, because 5 plus 4 is 9. And we do not know the actual amount of cats yet, or the actual amount of dogs, but they do tell us the total amount of animals is 27. So what we need to do is find the amount of actual dogs and the amount of cats when there are 27 animals altogether. So the first thing we're going to do is find the amount of dogs. You could find the amount of cats first. You're just going to change the numbers a little. But we're going to find the amount of dogs first. So we have 4 dogs in the ratio over 9 total animals equals D, the amount of, we don't know how many dogs, actual amount of dogs over 27. So 4 is to 9 as D is to 27. We are going to cross multiply. So we have 9 times D, which is 9D. And then we have 4 times 27. Don't know off the top of my head, so let's just do our work on the side on the down low. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So that's 108. So now our proportion simplifies down to 9D equals 108. We need to get the amount of dogs all by themselves. So right now we're multiplying times 9. The opposite of multiplying by 9 is dividing by 9. So we're going to divide both sides by 9. So the amount of dogs is going to equal 108 divided by 9. 9 goes into 10 once, subtract 9, bring down the 1, then bring down the 8, and 9 goes into 8 twice. And that gives us 12 dogs. If you wanted to find the amount of cats, you could set up a proportion again, but since we already have the total that was given and now we have the amount of dogs, we can just find the difference to find the amount of cats. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So if there are 27 animals altogether, minus 12 dogs, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 15, you get 15 cats. And then, of course, we want to check our work, so let's just make sure that the actual amounts we found, the variables we found, equal the total. So 15 plus 12, 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 27, there you have it.